Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to look at a spectrum analyzer, which is actually your handheld spectrum analyzer by TinySA Ultra Plus. This thing has a frequency range from 100 kilohertz all the way up to 7.3 gigahertz. So we're going to explore this, and we're going to explore another function of this device, which is actually a signal generator function that is also built in, which means you will be able to transmit a signal using your TinySA spectrum analyzer. And the way you can do it is just simply turn it on from here. There's a button there. Just turn this on and go here, and under mode you can go to mode, and it has two functions. You have a spectrum analyzer and you also have a signal generator. A spectrum analyzer, think of it as a receiver, and signal generator, think of it as a transmitter. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to leave this as is for right now. And what we're going to do, we're going to try to send a signal from our signal generator, which is built-in function of your TinySA spectrum analyzer, and we're going to try to receive it using our Mayhem PortaPack. And we're going to also do the backward thing as well. We're going to try to transmit a signal from our Mayhem PortaPack, and using a spectrum analyzer mode, we're going to also try to receive that signal using our TinySA. So that's the cool thing. So this particular spectrum analyzer, you can use it as a transmitting device, and you can also use this as a receiving device. Of course, you can also use your Mayhem PortaPack, standalone Mayhem PortaPack, as a transmitting device and also as a receiving device. You can also connect an antenna on both of these sides, so you can also do that as well. Generally, Mayhem PortaPack is being used with an antenna, but you can also use that as a generator as well. So having that said, what are some of, let's use this guy as a signal generator first. So this is basically low output is your on and off mode. All right. So I'm going to bring this out here. So this guy is actually low output mode is basically your transmitting mode. So either you can turn it on and off. You can select the frequency you want. You can go up to 17.922 gigahertz. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but you can go up to that frequency. So we're going to choose a frequency, let's say somewhere around 400 megahertz. We can select a frequency of 400 megahertz, or you can just increment it with the help, or you can decrease by 10 kilohertz by pressing it here. And you can set it by pressing it in the middle. You can set it by yourself. So let's leave it at 400 megahertz. And if you want to increment this using 10 kilohertz of step size, you can do that. Or if you want to do it 100 kilohertz, you can also do that. So let's just set it for 400 megahertz. All right. And you're going to also select the level as well. So you can set your level by clicking in the middle. I think the lower you can go is about negative 18.5 dBm, because I'm choosing a low output. I don't want to burn in the antenna port of my Mayhem PortaPack, so you want to leave your noise level to be very minimum, or you can put in attenuators there. You can also select your mod mode. You can have an AM modulation, FM modulation. So in our case, we're going to choose FM modulation. You can go to FM modulation. You can select frequency. So let's say if I want to select 7500, just hit enter. So that will change that frequency. I think the maximum you can go is about 3.5. So we're going to leave it at this. And I think you can select the deviation and as well and things like that. So it's going to output about sine wave at, I think, up till 823 megahertz. It will output sine wave. Otherwise, it will output like in square wave. So everything is set to good, set on this side. Now we're going to go to our Mayhem PortaPack, and we're going to select a receive mode. And under receive mode, what we're going to do, we're going to choose our audio. We're going to select audio. Now we're going to select our audio, and once we select our audio, I'm going to select the frequency as well. So I'm going to change this frequency to 400 megahertz, because this is where the transmission will take place. So as you can see, this is connected to this port. So I'm going to select this frequency to 400 megahertz. So we're good to go. And then let's leave this on this side, and I'm going to turn on this low output mode. When I turn this on, let's see what happens. You see this? This has already started transmitting. a signal at 400 megahertz. When I turn this off, there's no signal which is present. When I turn this on, there is signal present. So isn't it cool that you have this TinySA which can be used either as a transmitter or as a signal generator, and also as a spectrum analyzer. Let's turn this off. You can select this none. Let's go back, and let's say I decided to select change frequency to 3000 megahertz. When I do that, or 3 gigahertz, I'll just simply go in here and 3 gigahertz. I'll change this frequency and I'm going to turn on. So there's no modulation which is taking place. I'm going to turn this on, and you can see this is working perfectly fine as a signal generator. That's the beauty about this particular hardware. All right, now let's just turn this off and go to a spectrum analyzer mode. So now spectrum analyzer mode, by default you are from 0 hertz all the way up to 900 megahertz, as you can see at the bottom here. Now I'm going to leave this as is, and here I'm going to go to my transmit application, and we're going to go to our transmit application, and we're going to try to send a signal. How about that? It's just to see if it's working perfectly fine as a spectrum analyzer. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to select a signal generator, and I'm going to select this frequency is already being selected to 510 megahertz. I'm going to leave this as is. I'm not going to do much of it, and we're going to start transmitting our signal at 510 megahertz. Now as you can see, this is already at 510 megahertz. So that's pretty cool. I can change this frequency. Let's say at this frequency can be changed. So I can change this to 610. And as you can clearly see this, now your signal has moved here. I can change the modulation form to FM. I can change this to BPSK. I can change this to QPSK. Of course, I need to change the frequency as well. So you guys can clearly see this, that you can use both of these amazing devices as a signal generator and also as a spectrum analyzer. That's the very cool thing, and specifically when it comes to TinySA, that's a very cool feature that you can use. You have a portable signal generator that you can use to power up your circuits and things like that. That's the cool thing about this particular TinySA, which I really liked. And you can either use this, and of course you can always use your Mayhem PortaPack that has a frequency range from 1 megahertz all the way up to 6 gigahertz as a transmitting and as a receiving beautiful device. So that was the small tutorial on this. I hope you find this video to be helpful. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks.